Welcome to another stage analysis video. It's Sunday the 21st of June 2026. Going to do the weekend's watch list stocks to begin today before getting into the regular member content. So starting off today with Nvidia, which NVDA, obviously one of the biggest stocks in the market, back to a potential pivot position here as it starts to pull back towards its 50-day moving average and 21-day moving average again in the early part of stage 2. We had the initial stage 2 breakout after a spring and then sign of strength bar, started to push out, had the backup, then went again. So we've got our second more major backup now within the early range, and it has dropped below the previous pivot high from back in November, October time. I think it was late October there to be precise. Get the was 29th of October, so it has dropped back below the 211.92 level there. Been consolidating for the last couple of weeks underneath that around its 50-day moving average. So currently looking after this recent pivot low, looking for a rebound back towards the highs again. It's been a laggard versus its group, whereas the semiconductors group has been flying, leading group over one of the leading groups has been free. Semiconductor materials and equipment, and the technology, hardware, storage and peripherals groups have all been flying recently. So this has actually been a laggard compared to that, although it did move off the low to the high, so over 40%, but compared to what the other semiconductor stocks have been doing, obviously it's generally lagged behind. So looking for that to change. Look at the weekly chart. You can see if we zoom out on this a bit, going back to the start of the stage 2 advance back in 2020, early 2023 here. So started to break out through this area here, moved up into strong stage 2 run, then rolled over. We had a brief stage 3 minor stage 4 decline before reversing itself again back into stage 2 continuation, and then we went sideways once more, moved back into 3, then we've made yet another stage 2 continuation. So you can see the price action through this area was particularly tight. Wasn't a lot of pressure on the downside. There was obviously a reaccumulation structure at this point, so it's managed to hold above that at the moment. So the weekly still looking healthy at currently. So if we come back to the chart here, you can see the group as a whole, 73% of them are technically strong in the semiconductors group. So if we slide that out, you can see the semiconductors group, as I said, outperforming versus what we've seen with Nvidia over the course of the last 3 or 4 months or so. Particularly, you've got Intel leading at the moment, ARM, and then a bunch of others in there as well. So looking for a continuation in this. Come back to the daily, as I said, we'll start to see particularly a pivot through this 212 area. We start to see a move back through there. We could potentially see a push back towards the highs and hopefully higher. Next up is Okta. So I believe this is part of the cyber security group. So this has had a stage 2 breakout recently, started to move out into early stage 2 and then accelerated. I think that was the earnings move up, and then obviously got extended. This is the free ATR level, for example, through here. So got well extended above that free ATR level, probably 4 or 5 ATRs at that point, so well outside of the normal range, and has pulled back in. This is the 1 ATR level. This is the 21-day exponential moving average. So we've seen a reversal in this value area at the moment. So looking for this to continue to push, start to move out. So come back onto the stage analysis website. Let's put that in. You can see the move that it's had. It's been very volatile. Big, short, sharp stage 2 advance with a lot of volatility in that. Roll back over again, dropped off into stage 4. You can see I've had a selling climax type move recently with this low here, then got the reversal. Within 2 weeks it was back above the midpoint of that bar, and then started to push out within 4 weeks there, start to turn into that early stage 2 position. So just pushing out, pulling back in, so back up position at the moment after this gap up move. So looking for continuation on that. You can see relative strength back above the 0 line, technical attributes on an 8 currently. Snowflake, SNOW, so another one had a big gap up move, so into early stage 2. So breakout, big volume, was the biggest volume it's had in the last year, as you can see. So extended outside of its normal ATR range for a few days before starting to pull back in again. So again, back to the 1 ATR level and the 21-day moving average range. So similar to position to what we were seeing with Opta there. And you can see the pivot low from the gap up move. Obviously managed to close back above that with this big tail on Friday there. So looking for a move back through that 1 ATR level there. Continuation move back towards the highs in the near term. Look at this on the longer term weekly chart. You can see Internet Services and Infrastructure Group here hasn't been on fire particularly. It's had a strong couple of months, but it's been going sideways for a long time. So it's starting to see a little bit of pickup there. Rackspace, one of the newer additions at the moment, leading. DigitalOcean, Okta, Twilio is also doing well in that group. So similar kind of move. We've got that big gap up move, and we've got the relatively tight pullback. So looking for a continuation on that as well in its early stage 2 move.